As more baby boomers and Gen Xers approach retirement, the focus begins to shift from the daily routine of work to a much bigger question, and that question is how to fund life after a paycheck. Concerns about savings, retirement accounts, pensions, and Social Security become increasingly important. Many people ask themselves whether they are truly prepared, how much money they will need, and when the right time is to step away from work. The reality is that long before retirement arrives, critical decisions must already be in motion. Failing to make the right choices early can lead to mistakes that are very difficult, if not completely impossible, to reverse later. One of the most common retirement mistakes is relocating on a whim. The appeal of moving to a warmer climate or a beachside community is strong. We're all human after all, but many retirees rush into these decisions without fully understanding what daily life will actually feel like. What seems like a dream destination can quickly turn into a poor fit, whether due to a slower pace of life, difficulty building social connections, or cultural differences too if they move abroad. A more thoughtful approach is to spend extended time in the desired location before committing. Renting for a year instead of immediately buying property can provide valuable insight into whether the area truly suits your lifestyle. It is also essential to consider practical factors such as cost of living, healthcare access, and environmental risks like flooding, particularly in coastal regions where insurance can be extremely expensive or unavailable. Many retirees who skip this step and they move to a new location actually end up relocating again, and sometimes they move only halfway back toward their original home. Another mistake is assuming that you will be able to work indefinitely. While many individuals plan to continue working beyond age 65, either by choice, by necessity, or to increase Social Security benefits, this strategy is far from guaranteed. Health issues, caregiving responsibilities, layoffs, or outdated skills can force an earlier than expected retirement. Surveys actually show that although a significant number of American workers intend to work longer these days, which makes perfect sense given our weakening economy, many are unable to do so. So as a result, it is critical to plan for the possibility of retiring earlier than expected by saving consistently and building financial flexibility. Now, delaying retirement savings is another costly error. Many individuals do not begin serious saving efforts until their 40s or even 50s, which significantly limits the power of compounding. Research shows that a large portion of Americans have saved far less than they will need, with many having only a fraction of their annual income set aside for retirement. The later one starts, the more aggressive the required savings become. Let me give you an example. Building a $1 million retirement fund by age 65 might require saving approximately $300 per month starting at age 25, but that amount rises dramatically to $700 per month at age 35, $1,700 per month at age 45, and you will need to save $3,000 per month if you begin saving at age 50. While catch-up contributions are available for those aged 50 and older, which allows additional contributions to 401k plans and IRAs, they're not suitable for starting early. Discipline and consistency are essential for those trying to close the gap later in life. Now, claiming Social Security benefits too early is yet another mistake that can have lasting financial consequences. Although individuals are eligible to begin receiving benefits at age 62, doing so results in permanent, and I want to emphasize it, it results in a permanent reduction in monthly payments, approximately 30% less if the full retirement age is 67. Now, on the other hand, delaying benefits can significantly increase your income. Between ages 67 and 70, benefits grow by about 8% per year, and this is due to delayed retirement credits. This guaranteed increase can provide substantial long-term advantages if that's something that you can manage. While personal circumstances can vary, of course, and strategies may differ for couples or single individuals, understanding the long-term impact of early versus delayed claiming is essential before making a decision. Now let's move on to the next mistake. Borrowing from a 401k is another mistake that can undermine retirement security. Although it may seem convenient to access funds from one's own account because after all, this is your money, doing so often results in reduced or paused contributions, in missed employer matching contributions, and lost investment growth. The risks actually increase if the borrower leaves their job before repaying the loan because the remaining balance may need to be repaid within a short period of time, typically 60 to 90 days if you leave your job without repaying your loan, or it may need to be treated as a taxable distribution, potentially with an additional 10% penalty for those who are under the age of 59 and a half. Now, on top of that, loan repayments are made with after-tax dollars, and this is something that many people don't realize. Loan repayments are made with after-tax dollars, and those funds are then taxed again upon withdrawal in retirement. So effectively, if you withdraw from your 401k or from your IRA and you withdraw it as a loan, you're going to get taxed twice, and there's no escaping that. Given these drawbacks, it is generally advisable to explore alternative sources of funding before tapping into retirement savings. Now, another common pitfall is prioritizing children's expenses over retirement savings. While many parents want to provide the very best possible opportunities for their children, whether through education or major life events, doing so at the expense of their own financial future can lead to significant problems later. Unlike education expenses, which can be funded through scholarships, through grants, loans, and a variety of cost-saving strategies, there are no loans that are available for your retirement, and that's something that many people seem to forget. Underfunding retirement may ultimately result in financial dependence on your children, which creates a burden that many actually hope to avoid. Striking a balance between supporting family and maintaining financial independence is absolutely crucial. Finally, neglecting estate planning is a mistake that can create complications for your loved ones and for you as well. By the way, I have an entire video about estate planning, and I highly recommend you watch it next because it will provide more details and it will actually give you an action plan that you can use to provide more benefits for your family and to plan ahead. Estate planning is not limited to the wealthy. Even individuals with modest assets should actually have a clear plan in place. Without a valid will, assets are distributed according to state probate laws, which may not align with personal wishes, and it can lead to delays, legal costs, and unintended outcomes. So at a minimum, individuals should establish a will, designate a durable power of attorney for financial matters, and create healthcare directives such as a living will and a healthcare power of attorney. It is also important to regularly review beneficiary designations on retirement accounts, by the way, because these often take precedence over instructions in a will. Now, in summary, retirement planning involves a series of decisions that carry long-term consequences. Mistakes such as relocating without proper evaluation, assuming continued employment, delaying savings, or claiming Social Security too early, or even borrowing from retirement accounts can cost you thousands of dollars. But with careful planning, with informed decision-making, and a proactive approach, which is key, those pitfalls can be avoided, and it will allow for a more stable and fulfilling retirement. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this quick video was helpful. Please remember to subscribe, enable notifications by ringing the bell, and give this video a like if you believe the information is helpful. I look forward to seeing you here next time. Take care.